In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your username on chess.com. If you've decided that your current username no longer represents you, or you'd simply like to update it to something new, chess.com provides an option that allows you to make that change directly from your account settings. In this guide, I'll walk you through the process from start to finish so you can update your username quickly and easily. To begin, open chess.com and sign in to your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll need to access your profile settings. To do that, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find your profile picture or avatar. Click on it to open your account options and continue to your profile page. After your profile page loads, direct your attention to the upper area of the screen and locate the Edit Profile option. Click on it to access the settings related to your account information and profile details. Once you're inside the profile editing section, scroll down through the available settings until you find the option that allows you to update your username. When you see it, click on the username field so you can enter the new name you'd like to use on your account. As you type your preferred username, keep in mind that it must meet the platform's requirements. Your username should begin with a letter or a number and contain between 3 and 25 characters. It's also important to make sure the username follows any additional rules displayed on the page. After entering your desired username, chess.com will automatically check whether that name is available. If the username is already being used by another member, you'll receive a notification letting you know that it cannot be selected. In that case, you'll need to try a different variation until you find one that is available. Once you've found a username that meets the requirements and is available to use, simply proceed by selecting the Change button. This will apply the update to your account and save your new username. That's all there is to it. As you can see, changing your username on chess.com is a straightforward process that only takes a few moments. Just access your profile settings, enter an available username that follows the platform's guidelines, and confirm the change. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope it helped you successfully update your chess.com username. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.